Hello, Tansei, bonjour, and good morning, everybody. Dallas Arcand here with this week's special edition of Pow-wow Dance Aerobics. I just finished my morning jog. I'm here by the water, and I thought I would share some music this morning since I didn't get a chance to last night. I was kind of busy with family stuff here, so anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. So good morning wherever you're at. Hope you guys are still doing your workouts like we've been doing all along here. So yeah, I brought my flute this morning, and I thought I'd play some good healing music to the sound of this water. It's a beautiful place. So yeah, I'm just gonna play and you guys enjoy the music and the view. So here we go. All right, here we go. right. So there you go. Some beautiful healing music for you guys this morning. I just thought I would share. Hey, they even brought the sun out. The sun is shining bright. So it's definitely a good day. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing good wherever you're at. This is definitely a great healing experience for me. Like I've been spending time with my daughter now over here and enjoying the beautiful Okanagan and this beautiful territory. So I'm going to acknowledge the land and this beautiful territory that we're in. It's such an honor and a privilege to be in this territory. I'd like to acknowledge also the Okanagan people as well. So if you're Okanagan watching this, thank you, and it's a great honor to be in your territory. This is where my daughter's half from too. My daughter's from Penticton area. So I just wanted to say that, and yeah, I was playing along with the water and the birds flying around here. They gave me some inspiration for some good healing music, and also thanks for the stars. Whoever sent me some stars, that's always nice. So anyways, I'll play one more song and then I'm gonna sign off here. So we'll definitely share some more good healing music with you guys, and that's what this is all about, this Powwow Dance Aerobics. That's why I started it, to share some good vibes with you, to check in on you guys from time to time, and just to share good healthy habits with you. So with that said, I'm gonna play one more song and then I'm gonna sign off. So here we go. All right, well, thank you everybody for tuning in, and thanks for all your kind comments, and it's always nice to share with you these beautiful moments while I'm here in paradise. I call this paradise because this is the beautiful Okanagan Valley, the beautiful territory of the Okanagan people. And I believe you say, to say Okanagan, you just say the Seal people. That's my my daughter's side of from her mom's side, and you know, it's a great honor to know. So when you're in the Okanagan and you first get here and you want to introduce yourself to the land and the water, you always say white. You say white to the mountains, to the water, to the land, to everything like that. So good. It's good stuff for good relationship for the land and for the water and for just everything around us here. and that's how we acknowledge the Okanagan territory. From what I know anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, but I've been out here for a long time to know these things, and also being a hunter out here as well with my daughter and her grandpa. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So until next time, I'm gonna sign off. I gotta get ready. I gotta do a show today, so I'm kind of busy with that. So with that, I just want to say have a beautiful, blessed day, and we'll catch you guys again soon. All right, peace out.